Hey, how's it going? Seth here from REtipster. I wanted to let you know about Kalen Faulner's upcoming Effortless Business Bootcamp and her subsequent Automate to Accelerate guided course that goes about 12 weeks. I had heard about this thing from Kalen and also a number of other people who had taken it a little over a year ago now. And what a huge impact it made for them. Just different ways of thinking about artificial intelligence and AI and specific actionable ways to start using it right now. And a lot of the technicalities of like, how do you actually implement this stuff so that it doesn't just help out, but like it literally saves you hours and hours and hours every single week so that you can literally replace people and effectively even kind of clone yourself in terms of automating things that you used to do manually or even getting AI to think the way that you think when it comes to responding to customers and prospects and buyers and sellers and all these things. To say that AI is a revolutionary thing that's changing the world is, I think, kind of like the understatement of the millennium. I mean, we are currently undergoing one of the most transformational shifts I think we will ever see in our lifetimes, maybe like several different lifetimes. It's pretty crazy, but it's a totally different thing when you actually understand how to leverage this and make your business way more effective, make your personal life way more effective, make a lot more money, save a ton of time. All the above are true if you know how to use it. So that's why I was really interested in taking this last fall, and it did not disappoint at all. So if you know anything about Kalen, if you've ever heard her present live, you know she is phenomenal. She's such a good communicator and just great at helping people understand things that can be kind of complex and difficult to understand. And not just that, but really pointing out which things are worth learning and figuring out and which things are great, but you don't really need them. Like it's totally fine to just ignore them and move on. That's exactly what Kalen goes through. And it all starts with the Effortless Business Bootcamp. We've got an affiliate link to it if you want to check it out. And if you do sign up through this affiliate link, I'm going to invite you personally to come and hang out with me for an hour as I show you some of the things that are working well for me in the AI world. So it's a little bonus that you can only get if you sign up through the REtipster affiliate link. I'll have a link to that beneath this video if you want to check it out. This happens over 3 separate days, April 21, 23, and 28. And then there's her 12-week guided course. So if you want to just like dip your toe in the water and kind of figure out what are we going to be talking about in this thing, that's really what this boot camp is all about. And as you'll see, it's not that expensive if you want to just check it out and figure out what's going on here. And of course, you're going to get some great value just from those 3 days. And just to kind of prove to you what this did for me back in the fall, I'm going to show you one of my biggest takeaways. And this has already saved me countless hours since I implemented this. And Kalen's course explained exactly how to do this step by step. So when you sign up for Automate to Accelerate, and this is like the big shebang, the whole 12-week course, you're going to get access to something like this. This is what we got for the fall version of it, but there's going to be a new updated one for the spring of this year. And when I go in here, so the way this works is for the whole 12 weeks, Kalen gets on there and usually presents for about an hour and a half to 2 hours each week and goes through everything that we're learning for that week. And then the next day, there's an office hours implementation session where you can get on again and talk with Carter, which is kind of like Kalen's sidekick, to figure out more directly applicable ways that you can put this stuff to work in your business. So Kalen kind of teaches like the theory and the implementation, but then Carter will actually say, okay, how does your business work? What do you need help with? Let's make this work for you. You can actually ask questions and it's a lot more interactive. But the first big wow moment for me happened in week 3. And, there's an hour and a half long workshop recording here. When we go over here to the resources hub, so there's this thing that she taught us called building your brand guardian. And your brand guardian is kind of like taking the entire knowledge base of everything that is true about you and your business and putting it in either a custom GPT or a Claude project. If you don't know what those things are, don't worry. Kalen explains all the stuff in the course. It makes sense after you hear it from her. But the whole idea behind this is to really understand, how do I arm AI with everything it needs to know about my business so that if a customer emails me, if a customer calls me, if I need to build out a sales page for something in my business, if I need to make a property listing with business specific things, and if I wanted to actually write the way that I write so that it doesn't sound like AI, how can I create this knowledge base and instructions so that I can throw anything at it and it's always going to respond the way that I would respond? It's going to say the right thing. It's going to write it the correct way. It's not going to sound robotic or overly academic or too elementary or anything like that. It's really going to understand what to say and how to say it. That's exactly what this is. And this all starts with you grabbing a lot of information that you have about your business and feeding it to ChatGPT or Claude, however you decide to build this project. Again, She explains all this stuff. And then you also have to give it this prompt. Carter's got a helpful video here explaining exactly what to do. But you take this prompt, and we move down here. I think the prompt is, here we go. Yeah, it's right here. So you take this prompt, it's super long and kind of complicated because it kind of needs to be. You go over here to ChatGPT and you just paste it in there. So like this right here, this prompt, like there is a ton of value just in this prompt because of what it enables AI to do for you. So we give it to it and we go down here and it starts to interview you about yourself and your company, what you stand for, what kind of products and services you sell. It's designed to gather all the information it needs so that it can think like you in your business. When I completed this process, it took me about an hour to do it. And I remember when I was going through it, I was just like, holy cow, this is so much work, but it's totally worth it because what you get in the end is kind of like this super brain that thinks like you and understands your business and can answer pretty much any question about your products, your services, how much things cost, what people can expect. And I mean, you can throw darn near anything at it and it will be able to respond a heck of a lot better than just a raw AI large language model would be able to because it knows everything about you and your business. So again, you go ahead and you answer all these questions and what you end up with in the end, I'm going to show you my Claude interface here. So if you go over here in Claude and click on this projects thing, it'll open up all the projects. This is kind of like a custom GPT, like very similar idea. It's just Claude's version of it. And I created this one right here, the brand guardian for REtipster. And when we open this thing up, we can see these instructions. So these instructions were basically written as a result of that prompt I just showed you in ChatGPT. Like when you get to the end of all of that, it gives you these very clear instructions and it creates some knowledge base files for you, which I uploaded right here. So there's a ton of information in here. And as a result of that, it can kind of do a lot of the work that you used to do yourself manually. And you can use a lot less brain power. You can basically just throw whatever question, whatever email, whatever comment, whatever it is, throw it in here and it will be able to respond to that. So for example, I could say, hey, what is REtipster and what do I need to know about it? How can it help me as a land investor? By the way, I'm using a app called Aqua for this. There's also one called Whisper Flow that Kalen teaches about. It's basically the same kind of thing, but it can just hear what you're saying and you don't have to use your keyboard anymore. It's pretty great. So just go ahead and put this in there and let's see how this responds. So REtipster is a land investing education media brand founded by Seth Williams. So the point is, it knows everything about REtipster and Seth Williams, everything that anybody in the public would ever want to know about. And the power and importance of this doesn't stop here. This is like the tip of the iceberg because once you have this, you can create what's called a sales wizard. So you can see right here, I've got the sales wizard for REtipster and the Stride sales wizard. So both of these are pulling from the same brand guardian from REtipster that I just showed you. So if you're not familiar, Stride CRM, it's a CRM for land investors that myself and Mike Balcom put together this past year. It's pretty awesome. Go check it out. What I did here was I didn't just arm it with all the information about REtipster. I went through a whole other process, which again, Kalen walks you through in week 4, I think it is, where you create this sales wizard that doesn't just know about your business, but it knows like all the pain points that people have. Why would they buy from you? What is it that you have to offer that can solve their problems? What are the objections that they have? What are the things that cause them to say no? What other competitors would they go to? Everything that a sales wizard would need to know. And it can not just know about you and write like you, but it can actually handle sales conversations for you. And once you have this put together, so obviously you could just come here and like ask it the question, but it's not that you would necessarily do it here. You would actually take this and use it in the real world. And I'll show you how we're using it right now. So on stridecrm.co, you'll see this little thing down here. You can click on this and you can either chat with it by typing out your message like a text message, or you can chat with it with your own voice, kind of like you would in a phone conversation. Either way is fine. But the point is you can do this and it can actually answer those questions because it knows all about Stride CRM and it speaks in the REtipster Seth Williams voice. So it not only knows what to say, but it knows how to say it. And the only reason it knows how to do this is because we trained it. And the only reason I was able to train it was because I learned how to from the Automate to Accelerate course. So let's try this chat with voice option and we can call right here.
Hey, you have reached Stride CRM team. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I was just curious, can Stride set up like automations for land investors to like automatically respond to prospects who might want to sell their property?
Yes, Stride CRM is designed to help land investors automate their processes, including responding to prospects who might want to sell their property. It features an automation engine that allows you to set up workflows using triggers.
I'm currently using PandaDoc for sending out documents for e-signature and that kind of thing. Can it do that? Can it handle e-signatures and help me sign contracts quickly?
Absolutely. Stride CRM has a built-in e-signature system that lets you send contracts and offers with just one click. It also tracks when documents are viewed, making the process quick and seamless. You wouldn't need a separate tool like PandaDoc for this. It's all integrated into Stride.
It's pretty incredible, huh? So the only reason it's able to respond quickly and accurately to these kinds of questions is because I trained it. And the only reason I was able to train it is because of what Kalen taught us in Automate to Accelerate. This here is a huge deal. I mean, this can literally replace a human, somebody that you'd otherwise have to pay a salary or hourly or a commission, somebody who might have a foreign accent. That's all done now. It says the right thing. It's available 24/7. By the way, if you're using Stride CRM, you can also set this up for your land business or whatever other kind of website you're running. Stride CRM can provide the tools that can actually get the job done, but the actual knowledge base, that's up to you. And the reason I was able to train mine so well is because of what I learned from Kalen. So that's just one of many examples. Again, I'm hardly even scratching the surface. There were 12 weeks of this, and every single week there were some huge takeaways. I made another video a couple months ago about how to build your own website using Gemini Pro or Lovable. All these things are huge, mind-blowing, game-changing things for my business that I've been able to share with you because of what I learned in Automate to Accelerate. So seriously, there is a lot on the table here, and I'll say Automate to Accelerate, the 12-week-long course, is not cheap. But I wouldn't expect cheap when you're getting truly life-changing information like this. I mean, I would pay this 10 times over for what I was able to learn this one time. And I can't wait to go through it again because the thing about AI, if you've been following this at all, is that this stuff is changing very, very quickly. Like every single week, there's some new huge innovation that just came on the market. So there's a lot to be updated about, a lot to talk about. Some of the things I can't wait to learn more about are how to use actual AI agents to literally do your job for you. Again, along the same lines of replacing humans so you don't have to hire people. It can do crazy things now. I've just been playing around with it a little bit, but I'm looking forward to learning a whole lot more about that so I can be even more effective in the different businesses I run. So again, if you want to check it out and if you want to sign up through the REtipster affiliate link, I'll invite you to the free group call that I'll be doing for the people that sign up through that link. I think it's going to be a ton of fun. I can't wait to take this again and learn all the updates and new things that have been going on in the AI world. Again, if you want to get in on this and if you want me to invite you to the free group session that I'm going to be putting on for the people who click through and sign up through my affiliate link, be sure to click through that affiliate link and sign up. I'll have it in the description beneath this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope I'll talk to you soon.